Our ride starts from Clapham today in the Yorkshire Dales at the base of Ingleborough, the second highest mountain in the Yorkshire Dales. Lots of views, lots of narrow walled lanes, solid tracks, so a good winter option. Highly recommended.
Very nice. Can't see now in here, like, can you? Oh. Oh. Quite tough climbing this. Quite slippy today.
Not that wheel slipping?
Yeah. Quite a bit. Nice though. Up at the top of the first climb. I'm out of breath already. Beautiful scenery around here. First descent, it's a short one. Very rocky. Lovely terrain around here. Oh.
There's Ingleborough Cave down the bottom there. Just on the flat at the moment. After a fairly gruesome climb. Not so steep, but it's a very loose and rocky surface, so it takes some getting up. Although it may be grassy, this track, it's still quite solid actually. Pennine Bridleway, this one. Heading towards the limestone escarpments. That trail to the right there is where we're going off on the way back, because this is out and back to the limestone escarpments. It's a nice viewing point up here. Quite clear considering how cloudy it is. Just about to head off down the grassy track all the way down to Wharf. It's got some steepness to it, this one. First proper descent. Bit of a headwind like. Way! Big drop. Hey! Around we go. Very solid for a bit of grass this. Lovely. Excellent. I think we go round to the right. Good descent that, even against the wind. We're way to Wharf now. A few puddles. Oh, look at that. That'll be
slippy in the winter. All right. Some narrow stone wall rides in here. Oh, nice. Feature. It's a nice little bit of track. Couple of little drops. Watch out for walkers on this one. No doubt there'll be a few. Oh, look at this. Very nice. The big rock. Awesome descent. To the left there, I don't know what that was. Pretty sure this was the right one. That was a good descent. Oh, that wasn't it?
Fun that.
I love them little walled lanes.
That's superb, that all the way down.
Yeah.
We're at the top of the way go up and down, don't we?
Correct, yeah, that's
how we rode this.
yeah.
It was right over growth.
Ah, it was. That's what part of the reason I've got trousers on, to be honest with you.
Big shit pads on last time and it stung and pissed the hell down here. Or going up here.
We're going over there and to the left
down,
for another little descent. Down the road, then we climb up the road a little bit. This must be the one. Oh. Another walled lane. Proper Yorkshire style descending this. And get a little overgrown this bit, but looks alright today. Proper good fun this. Off sat in a narrow. They're a little bit slick in places. Love it. Oh, something caught me on the leg there. Here's the road. We're going to go left a little while. Worth doing, wasn't it? Yeah. We could have just cut that off and come along here, but that's one of the things.
My leg.
Yeah, did me as well.
Oh, it must have been a stick sticking out.
I thought it was an animal.
Yeah, I thought it was an animal. It must have been a stick or something. Whoa, felt somewhat wacky.
Yeah, I did as well. But it was like.
I knew fell off by straight down, so I was too weird looking out for the nettles.
No. It wasn't that bad though, was it?
We couldn't even save the floor last time.
No. So we've finished the main part of the loop. We're just climbing up a bit of road for the last 6 mile and then another stone track descent. Just looking for somewhere to stop for a snack spot. Nice views behind me. Onto the side. Oh, we're on the Bridleway to Pfizer now. Heading up. Nice easy climb on this Bridleway. Oh, is this the way down? Oh, look at that. Right, last descent. All right. All right. Wow, the wind! Wow. Okay at the bottom. Fresh brakes working nicely. Right, I think we're in Pfizer now. This way. It's the one. Smooth tractor wheel back on. Quite narrow gravelly walled lane here. Whoa, this looks alright. Watch out for walkers again. Jeez. Oh. Awesome. Yeah, you've really got to be careful around some of these corners because you can't see very far ahead. There we have it. More descending. Whoa, a bit of a crossroads here. Is it the Pennine Bridleway to Austwick? That's the one.
Still down there.
You alright, Scott? Off we go. Keep your eyes peeled for walkers. There's a little bridge here. Oh, it was a bit daring for me, that. Bit of a dodgy start. Down on the flats now, heading on our way back to Clapham. There's Austwick to the left there, but we're going right. Back through the tunnels. Turning left here onto Thwaite Lane to Clapham on the Pennine Bridleway. Loose rocks on this climb. Oh, last bit of climbing and then a bit of descending through the tunnels, which is always nice.
although you probably won't be able to see it on the GoPro because it's quite dark. And we turned off right earlier on, so we're going back the way we came and down through the tunnels. This is a nice little descent to finish off on. Loose and rocky. Hello. On your right. All right, squeeze past, thank you. What a pitch black in the tunnels. Can't see. What do you think? Better. Coming up or coming down? Can't see. Bit dodgy them tunnels, wasn't it? The first one. Wow. Well, that was an absolutely cracking ride from Clapham at the base of Ingleborough. Highly recommended. It's about 14 miles, 1800 feet of climbing-ish. Lots of views, lots of narrow walled lanes, solid tracks, so a good winter option. So yeah, definitely worth a go this one. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. Probably the best ride I've done this year, I think. Very enjoyable.